friends, welcome to this informative session of Competition Gurukul, where I am going to give you the details about the Polytechnic exams. Friends, you all have been appearing for the 10th board exams, and most of you have already passed the 10th standard exam. But the question is, how successfully you have been able to seek a job with full satisfaction and handsome salary? I think this is a big question, because the people who are just preparing for giving the board exams and the people who have just passed the board exams, they are always confused that which of the courses is suitable for them that can help to seek the job in a very shorter time and help them to earn as soon as possible. So, friend, I will give you the details of such an exam which will help you to pursue a course which guarantees you to have the job that will give you the handsome salary as well as full job satisfaction. And the course is Polytechnic exam. So, what is special about the Polytechnic exam? Polytechnic exam is conducted for the students who have passed the 10th board exams, and this particular exam provides an opportunity to the students to pursue the engineering courses after passing just 10th standard. I think most of the people get amazed when you hear that can you pursue an engineering based courses after doing just 10th standard exam? So the answer is yes, you can. So in Polytechnic entrance test, basically the questions that are asked are basically comes from the 10th standard level, and the subjects that are basically covered here is science, English and mathematics. In science and mathematics, most of the questions are basically asked, and in English there are only 20 questions are asked, and in and about there are 200 questions in this exam where you have to just attempt 150 questions. Yes, I am saying 150 questions. I think it is very easy because you have 60 options, out of which you can leave any of the 60 options to get only 150 questions correct, and it is easy to score there. Fine. So at Competition Gurukul, we provide a perfect coaching to prepare for the Polytechnic exams. Here we have individual teachers, experienced teacher and a teacher with highly qualification that will help you to have your concept developed. They will help you to give you the shortest trick and the quick methodologies to solve the answers in a very quick span of time. Even though if you have the concepts of the mathematics and the science that were not clear during your 10th standard, it is a good opportunity for you to get all your concepts and the problems solved at our institute by our teachers. Secondly, you will have 5 days class of 2 to 3 hour session and with regular tests on the weekends. And if you want to have backup class, if you want to have the doubts, your doubts get clear, so there is a backup and a doubt class also conducted on the weekends. Moreover, if you miss any of our regular lectures, you don't have to get panic because we provide the backup class for that also. We have the online resources in the form of the study materials, videos and the lecture videos, which you can see in the case if you miss any of the lectures. Moreover, we provide the highly graded study material for the Polytechnic exam. So for the 100% success assurance in the Polytechnic entrance exams, you can visit our institute for the free demo classes. For more information about Competition Gurukul and Polytechnic exam, you can simply go to our website www.competitiongurukul.in. Thank you.